back, guys. Season's changing. Sleds are gone. Well, they're not gone, but can't be used right now. So we're gonna get our skis ready and we're gonna go test on the lake. Stay with us. You know, we've been working on the seadoo trailer. We put a spare on yesterday and we got some new tires and wheels, and so we got all that stuff hooked up, so we should be ready to roll. Man, it's kind of bright out here. So let's go over the skis a little bit, huh? So I picked these up last year, early spring, about $4,000 for the trailer and both. They're 1997 Sea-Doo XP 800s, and they're going to become our camera rigs. Oh, and ripping rigs, you know, because they're decently fast. They're old. They're vintage. They're going to be, you know, probably 55, 60 if we can get on some glass water, clear, no chop, nothing. So, let's get into what we've upgraded and repaired so far. So back here in our sweet compartment, I actually bought these and they had that switch already, which is nice because it's like an external battery cutoff. So we pull the negative over the winter, you know, the battery should be fine when we come back next season, which it was. But along with that, those wires, all the wiring is new up to the starter and the negative, the ground. One of these has a VTS problem. That's pretty common on these apparently. But we're going to fix that this season, I think. So not too much going on back here besides our drive shaft. We do have a carbon seal for these, for both of them, and we're going to replace that at some point as well, along with, you can't really see it, but our wear ring. So we got 2 wear rings, 2 carbon seals, and we have to fix the VTS on one of these, but you know, they're good to rip right now. So that's about it for the back side. Oh, new batteries, kind of common when you're redoing stuff, you know. So let's get into the hood part and we'll pull our package tray out and see what's going on in the motor. Still got our, looks like original fire extinguisher and an extra paddle, just in case we get stranded. So down in here, these are what you call a Bombardier. This is a 800 or 797 cc, and they had quite a few issues electrically. These did when I first picked them up, and one of the main things is all these fuel lines down here. Everything that's green that you can see I replaced. So while we were in there, we had the air box off, we replaced all the fuel lines all the way even down those in the carburetor, and we cleaned up the carburetor as well. There's a little filter that apparently nobody cleans up when taking the carbs apart, and we've changed that filter out. So we reran all that stuff all the way back, even to the fuel selector switch back there. We replaced that, and everything from there forward and back to the fuel tank. I wonder if we can get a shot of that. I don't know, we'll have to watch the video back and see. But that's pretty much all we did as far as what's going on in this engine. Obviously we replaced our spark plugs. I had to do the coolant sensor on one of these because the bracket or the connector actually broke off here, and while we were in there, you know, replaced the tube there. But other than that, pretty much stock. All of our electrical that was redone before I picked this up. There's a fuse in here that likes to blow. People can't never find it. There's a fuse panel down there, or the voltage regulator, and a couple fuses there that become big problems. But we replaced all that stuff last year, so we should be pretty much ready to go. We did the fuel filter as well. I also did these some waterproofing trim pieces, so that rubber gasket there. And actually we went to Menards and got some plumbing pieces. Fits right inside of here, because once this closes, because these get all worn out over the years, you get a gap here. Doesn't really seal too well, so we stuck that in there, and now it seals right around there. That's a 1.5 inch to 2 inch hub piece, just like a rubber grommet, that fits right in there. And I've had no issues leaking around the, whatever you want to call this, the frunk, the hood, the bonnet. We also redid this piece here, just added some extra rubber gasket material so that we seal real nice up against our tray here. That's pretty much it as far as engine maintenance and things like that. We got a couple of cool cosmetic things. We replaced the, don't worry about that, we got to clean all that stuff up yet. We replaced the plastic mats that came with these. These are just stick-on black tip stuff from eBay. It was great. I'm happy with this. Unfortunately, the process of doing was excruciating, because the plastic ones that come with our OEM are riveted on. So there's a million little tiny holes everywhere on this thing. And so what we ended up doing is filling it in with silicone and then putting our new mats over the top of it. So that I think pretty much brings you up to speed. I did this on both of the skis, everything we just talked about. And I mean, they rip. We probably ran them for about 100 hours last season, and I don't think they're going to cause us any issues, but we're going to go get a test rip in before we start doing some actual content making with these things. So, camera rig, stick around. We're on our way to the lake. We're on the way, guys. First rip of the season. Yeah. So we made it out to the Mutiny Boat Club and Pub. It's our favorite launch. It's actually where all the drag boat races they launch here too. It's looking a little windy today, but I think we can do it. If you can see right in between there, that's where Blarney Island is. That's where the drag boat strip is. Let's see what we got. Oh man, what a beautiful sight. Right before sundown, at the docks, looking up the camera. What are you guys doing? I think we'll be alright. Alright, there we go, guys. Test strip, ski one. We got the gloves, we got everything. Let's do it. The chain's been over flooded this year, but we'll get out there. Oh yeah. It's a little cold. Anyways. Hey Meta, are you recording? Because this is beautiful right here. We got the glasses. Look at this view, right? I mean, we're on the chain of lakes. Look, there's another guy over there. He's out boating. We got some Canadian geese. This long peninsula. Oh, what is it? Mutiny Boat Company. The sign's a little janky, but you know, the bar's all right. The launch is okay. Everything has been a little crazy with all this water. But we're gonna get out there. We're gonna rip this lake right now. All specifically just for testing. You know, we're gonna test our cameras, our ski, the other camera, who knows. Hopefully all this stuff is tight. Let's see. Let's turn it on. This is why we test. Might as well. Oh! Woo! All right, there we are. So we already had the first hat test. Let's get it. Go ahead and just get her locked in, you know. All right. Oh, get the hat in and let's go. Right? Oh boy, there we go. Let's get it ripping. Woo, girl. About 40. Blarney Island. That's what happens when you try to dock and you're not going fast enough. Here we are, Blarney Island. Let's get it. What can you do? I mean, besides rip it. Look at the sunset. right over the lakes. This is where they do the drag boat racing, right here. It's a great time. There'll be some more of that. You guys can see some action if you follow me. Like, share, and subscribe. This ski's ready to rip for sure. I mean, we're at about 40 miles an hour, but we can get it back up 55, 60, somewhere in there. There's probably some stuff, you know, hanging up loose from last winter. Look at all these birds. It's crazy. Drag boats and ripping coming soon, guys. Oh, we're going. We're ready to go, guys. Fastest ski out here. Come and get us. We're up. That's crazy. You can buy an old ski, you can revive it, and you can do stuff like this. Yeah, maybe they're not the most stable. Maybe they're not the cleanest. We got a little dirt here. But, you know, maybe the VTS doesn't work. Maybe your speedometer's off. Maybe your gas gauge doesn't show you exactly what you have. But you got mirrors. You got a JBL speaker. And you got, you know, the best time of your life. Oh, girl is ripping! Alright, guys. That's it. First test rip. My voice is gone because we've been screaming, having so much fun. Look at this view. This is where we launch. This is where the racers launch to go race at Blarney Island. Ooh, girl. New lake videos coming up. Landmarks, historical facts. Maybe somewhere you can stop for lunch. We're gonna rip them.